Hello everyone, I will show you how to duplicate Shopee discount promotions on Big Seller in this video. With this feature, you can duplicate the existing discount promotion to create a new one. You don't need to create promotions and add products manually. You can go to Products, Discount Promotions. Here you can filter a style and find the promotions you want to duplicate. Then click the Duplicate button. Before you duplicate the promotion, you can select the promotion to keep up to date. Then click Continue Duplicating. Big Seller will duplicate the promotion name and the products, also the discount. And Big Seller will select the start time automatically. If you duplicate the promotions from ongoing and upcoming, the start time is 1 second later than the end time of the existing promotion. If you duplicate the expired discount promotion, the start time will be the current time. Here you can select the end time. Then click Publish. Here you can see this duplicate discount promotion. Okay, it is all about how to duplicate Shopee discount promotion on Big Seller. Please contact us if you have any questions with Big Seller.